Hey there! Today we are talking about the lower belly. I know it can be really tough, but don't worry, I'm here to help.
You might not realize it, but that stubborn belly could be sticking out because of your lower back. If your back often gives you trouble, it might be affecting your tummy too. Let me show you some simple exercises to help with that. Remember, it's not just about doing endless crunches. It's important to engage the right muscles and protect your back while you work on your core.
Let's go!
Let's start with something gentle, pelvic tilts. These are great for engaging your lower abs and stabilizing your back. All you need to do is press your lower back into the floor, hold for a few seconds, and then release. Try doing 10 to 15 reps. This exercise helps you focus on those deep core muscles, which are essential for supporting your lower back and improving your posture.
Next up, we have the bear dog exercise.
This one is amazing for both your core and your back. From this position, you're going to extend one arm and the opposite leg, keeping your core tight and your back straight. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Let's do 10 reps on each side. Bird dog is all about balance and stability. It's a great way to strengthen your entire core without putting too much pressure on your lower back.
Finally, let's do some heel slides.
These are super simple but really effective. Lying on your back again, with your knees bent, you're going to slide one heel out along the floor while keeping your lower back pressed down. Then slide it back in. Repeat with the other leg. Aim for 10 reps on each side. Remember, the key is to keep your lower back connected to the floor. This helps target the lower belly while keeping your back safe.
This exercise might seem simple, but they're really powerful.
Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these into your routine a few times a week. Always listen to your body and make sure you're moving in a way that feels good for you. It's not about pushing through pain, but about building strength and stability over time.
Thanks so much for being with me today. Take care and see you next time.